आता आपण हिस्ट्री क्लास 7 चॅप्टर दिल्ली 12 to 15 सेंचुरी याचं चॅप्टर एक्सप्लेनेशन बघितलं होतं. आता आपण त्याच्या शॉर्टेस्ट फॉर्म्स ऑफ नोट्स बघतोय. म्हणजे सगळ्यात मेन पॉइंट्स परीक्षेच्या आधी एक्झामच्या आधी जस्ट तेवढे पॉइंट्स वाचून जरी गेलो आपण तरी आपलं म्हणजे धडा लक्षात राहण्यासारखा आहे. Delhi first became capital under Tomara Rajputs. Delhi first became capital under Tomara Rajputs. Coins minted by rich Jain merchants called Dehliwal. Coins minted by rich Jain merchants called Dehliwal. Dynasties, names of dynasties which ruled Delhi: Rajput, Turkish, Khaljit, Tughlaq, Sayyid, Lodi. Rajput, Turkish, Khaljit, Tughlaq, Sayyid, Lodi. Historians are known as Tariq or Tawarik in Persian. Historians are known as Tariq or Tawarik. Persian was the administration language under Delhi Sultanate किंवा दिल्ली सुलतान्स. ऑथर्स ऑफ तवारीक वेअर लर्न मॅन, हे गाळलेल्या जागामध्ये येऊ शकतं. ऑथर्स ऑफ तवारीक वेअर लर्न मॅन. बर्थराईट मीन्स प्रिव्हिलेजेस क्लेम्स ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ बर्थ. बर्थराईट प्रिव्हिलेजेस क्लेम ऑन अकाउंट ऑफ बर्थ. Gender distinction, social and biological differences between women and men. Social and biological differences between women and men. Razia Sultan was Sultan Iltutmish's daughter. 3 women queens were Razia, Rudramadevi and Didda. Slaves purchased for military service called Bandagan. Client is someone who is under protection of another. Lands given to Mukti are called as a Ikta. Military commanders holding iktas were called iktadar or mukti. Kharaj was tax on cultivation. Names of taxes are kharaj, khums, zakat and jizya. Kharaj, khums, zakat and jizya. Ibn Battuta was 14th century traveler who came from Morocco, Africa. He came from Morocco. The Mongols under Genghis Khan invaded Transoxiana and Delhi Sultanate. Transoxiana and Delhi Sultanate. Sher Shah Sur started his career as a manager of small territory and then eventually defeated the Mughal Emperor Humayun. Hinterland is lands adjacent to a city or port that supply it with goods and services. Hinterland is a land adjacent to city or port that supplies it with goods and services. Garrison town is a fortified settlement with soldiers or for soldiers. A mosque is called as a masjid in Arabic. Prayer of Muslims is called as a namaz. Imam is the most respected learned man of Muslims. Imam delivers sermons which is called as a khutbah during Friday prayer. So sermon called as a khutbah. Quwwat al-Islam. Quwwat al-Islam was congregational mosque of the first city built by Delhi Sultan. Quwwat al-Islam, congregational mosque. Sher Shah Sur's efficient administration became the model followed by the great Emperor Akbar. Aladdin constructed a new garrison town called Siri. Aladdin paid soldiers' salary in cash. Muhammad Tughlaq also paid salaries in cash. Muhammad Tughlaq used token as a currency. 3 orders. So whatever the 3 orders, society was divided into those who prayed, those who fought and those who tilted land. 3 orders was first formulated in France. Emergence of a new warrior group were called as the Knights. A series of campaigns against the Muslims who had captured city of Jerusalem are called as the Crusades. A series of campaigns against the Muslims who had captured city of Jerusalem are called as the Crusades. Now, a little short answer. What are the duty of muftis? Provide military services, maintain law and order in their iktas, collect revenues, pay their soldiers. So, duty of muftis is आन्सर्स नेहमी पॉइंट्स मध्ये लिहायचे म्हणजे आपल्याला पटकन लक्षात राहतात. प्रोव्हाइड मिलिटरी सर्व्हिसेस, मेंटेन लॉ अँड ऑर्डर इन देअर इक्तास, collect revenues from iktas, pay their soldiers. Harsh conditions imposed on muftis by sultans. Their office was not inheritable. Iktas were assigned only for a short time period. Accountants were appointed to check revenue collected by muftis. Muftis had to collect taxes only as prescribed by state. They had to maintain required amount of soldiers. So कसं त्यांच्यावरती stringent harsh rule होता. Their office was not inheritable. Their iktas were assigned only for short duration. Accountants were appointed to check revenue collected by muftis. Muftis had to collect taxes only as prescribed by state, and they had to maintain the required number of soldiers. So they have to pay that soldiers also. Now what is the circle of justice? So king keeps peasant happy with justice and honest governance. Peasants pay revenue. Kings uses this revenue to pay the salaries of soldier, and soldiers protect the kingdom and king. So this is called as a circle of justice. सो peasant, किंग्स, peasant, soldiers ह्या तिघांमध्ये जे ट्रान्झॅक्शन चालतात त्याला म्हणतात सर्कल ऑफ जस्टिस. Internal frontier. So what is the internal frontier? Hinterland of the garrison towns is called as the internal frontier, and external frontier is areas beyond the hinterland of garrison town is called as the external frontier. इम्पॅक्ट ऑफ मॉंगोल इन्व्हेजन. मग काय इम्पॅक्ट झाला मॉंगोल इन्व्हेजन मुळे, काय चेंजेस झाले दिल्ली सल्तनत मध्ये? सो दे हॅड टू कीप लार्ज स्टँडिंग आर्मी इन दिल्ली विच वॉज अन ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव्ह चॅलेंज. मग अल्लाउद्दीन खिलजीने काय केलं मॉंगोल इन्व्हेजन साठी, आणि मोहम्मद तुगलकने काय केलं? Alauddin Khilji new garrison towns he reconstructed. 50% tax on land produce to be able to pay the salaries of soldiers, cash payment of salaries to soldiers, and effective administrative measures, ensuring cheap prices and good supply of goods. Whereas Muhammad Tughlaq ne kya kela, residents of Delhi are shifted to Daulatabad, which caused the resentment in the residents. Delhi is converted to the garrison town. Increased taxes even in the famine. Paid soldiers in cash, used token currency which was later recalled, and failed administration. Why failed administration? Because he increased the taxes even in the famine, and residents of Delhi are shifted to Daulatabad without their consent. So there was resentment in the mind of residents. So अशा प्रकारे शॉर्टेस्ट फॉर्म. आता तुम्ही बघाल की जे आपण धडा वाचला, जो धड्याचे आपण एक्सप्लेनेशन दिलंय, तर त्याच्यामध्ये हे काय काय पॉइंट्स नाहीच आहेत. म्हणजे गॅरिसन टाउन आहे किंवा हे कुव्वत अल इस्लाम आहे, हे नाहीच आहे. ते कशामुळे आहे की या जे एनसीईआरटीचे हिस्ट्रीचे टेक्स्टबुक्स आहेत त्याचे 2 व्हर्जन आहेत. एक व्हर्जन स्लाइटली जुनं आहे आणि आता जे लेटेस्ट व्हर्जन आलंय त्याच्यामध्ये ऍडिशनल इन्फॉर्मेशन आहे. सो तुम्हाला काही ठिकाणी फरक दिसू शकेल. सो आम्ही या शॉर्ट नोट्स मध्ये मॅक्झिमम जे पॉइंट्स आहेत जे दोन्ही बुक्स मध्ये आहेत ते कव्हर करण्याचा प्रयत्न केला आहे. आणि हे शॉर्ट नोट्स अगेन म्हणजे हे परत परत रिपिटेशन तुम्ही हे जेवढं परत परत ऐकाल, येता जाता जरी तुम्ही तो व्हिडिओ चालू ठेवला आणि कानावर पडत राहिलं तर ते म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त तुमच्या लक्षात राहील. तर हॅपी स्टडिंग. आणि तुम्हाला आमचे व्हिडिओज कसे वाटतात, त्याने तुमच्या अभ्यासात मदत होते का हे आम्हाला नक्की कळवा. आणि आमच्या चॅनलला लाईक करा, सबस्क्राईब करा आणि आमचे व्हिडिओ शेअर करा. थँक्यू.